This housing is a BCX 732 clamp housing. This is what is supplied. A clamp, a lid, a hold down device, a support basket, operation instructions, vent valve and T-piece assembly, and basket O-ring. We're going to install the basket and the filter bag. Make sure the O-ring is compatible with the liquid being filtered. Place the O-ring on the basket into the vessel. Drop it down like so. This is the basket installed in the vessel. If you're using a nylon monofilament bag, you'll notice the stitching is on the outside. This bag needs to be turned inside out so that the stitching is on the inside of the filter bag. To install the metal ring bag, place the bag inside the housing and place the plate on top of the bag. This is the device that secures the plate in place. Place the twist and then just tighten up, hand tight only. Make sure that it doesn't move, and the metal ring bag is now installed. This is a plastic ring sealing bag. If the bag has a label on it, remove the label before installing the filter bag. Place the bag inside the housing like that. Make sure it conforms nicely. Place the hold down device on top, and this holds down the hold down device. Push it in like so and tighten up so it's hand tight only. This shouldn't move, and the bag is now locked in place. The housing is supplied with a set of tripod legs, support legs. These are height adjustable, and we need to raise the vessel up so that you can put the outlet pipe into place. So we'll just do that now. So raise the vessel up to the height that you desire and nip up the bolts like so. Okay. And that's all you need to do, go and ready for that. This is the inlet port, and at the bottom is the outlet port, usually 2-inch BSP. How to install the vent valve and optional pressure gauge assembly. This is the vent valve T. If you're going to use a pressure gauge, which I strongly recommend that you do, then the pressure gauge is going to go into the top and the little vent valve is going to go into the side. Just use PTFE tape. Either use PTFE tape or use thread sealant on this little thread. The housing is rated to 6 bar pressure, so use a gauge. This gauge here is 0 to 800 kPa, so the needle reads approximately halfway at about 4 bar. And now we're ready to stick it onto the lid. We're now going to install the lid. Make sure the O-ring is of a material that is compatible with the liquid that you're using. And make sure the O-ring is not damaged in any way. Place the lid onto the O-ring like that, and now we're going to place the clamp into position. Place the clamp around the lid and lock it into place like so. And do this, turn the wing nut until it just starts to bite, or it just starts to get tight. The two edges of the clamp will start to come together. It's just starting to bite now. Take a light mallet, and bang the lid and the clamp. like so. And now you can do the clamp up again till it just starts to bite. And once again, tap the lid and bring it up again, and keep doing this until you have almost about a centimetre, 10mm gap between the two things, between the two edges. The lid is now properly sealed in place, and now we just place the top vent into position. Like so. Okay, okay. And we're ready to run the housing.